All right, I can't contain myself anymore. So, you saw us take the loft down in the trailer. You're probably thinking, what the heck are these people doing? Well, we're doing something crazy. We have a cubic mini wood stove that we will be installing in the Intech Discover. Yeah, that's right. We're lighting a frickin' fire inside this thing. I am stoked. Stay tuned. This is going to be a two-part video, so if you haven't subscribed already, hit that bell. Make sure to do it because you won't want to miss the moment where we light a fire in our Intech Discover. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Zoe, open the door. Oh my God, it's here. God. No way. Okay. Oh, man, this is so rad. I'm just gonna set that there for the moment.
What are those? So cute.
The legs are in there.
So believe it or not, that wood stove is going on the counter. And there's going to be a chimney up through there.
If you didn't think we were crazy before, you probably really...
We want the wood stove front and center on our kitchen counter. In order to do that, we need to relocate our Dometic propane stove. The Dometic stovetop will be moved as far to the left side as possible, and then we'll fill in the hole that will be left in the countertop.
So this is the Cubic Mini side shield that you can order from Cubic Mini. It's just stainless steel. We decided to order one of these and use it on the left side for the stove because it fits in there really nicely and it will protect this wall from getting scorched by the stove burners. So this is all the wiring that is in the cabinet. It's really hard to get shots of the cabinet, but you'll have a couple zip ties in here that you'll need to cut and drop this all down. And then we went ahead and cut a brace out of right here. So we cut the top, we cut a brace out of there, which was screwed into the top. And then everything went ahead and came apart pretty easily. Now we need to cut a relief in our board right here to allow the stove to drop into place over here. So
once the burners are fit, we secured a piece of wood under the counter for added support. We reattach the piece of counter that we cut from the other side. The screws and cracks ended up being filled with epoxy to make the surface smooth again. After the counter was finished, it was time to light the first fire in the wood stove. The first fire must be done outside before installation. The stove is covered in chemicals from the manufacturing process that need to be burned off completely to avoid fumes in your living space. Cubic Mini recommends burning for around 20 hours to ensure your stove doesn't stink and smoke once it's installed indoors. We let the stove burn all day, and when it came to be dinner time, we couldn't resist the urge to try cooking using the heat from the new stove.